Wedi deillio o hobi cadw gwenyn yn 2011, mae Hilltop wedi tyfu i fod yr ail frand mêl mwyaf yn y Deyrnas Unedig. Mae Hilltop sy'n eiddo i Scott Davies ac wedi leoli yn ei dref enedigol sef y dre newydd Canolbarth Cymru, wedi ehangu ledled y Deyrnas Unedig a thu hwnt erbyn hyn. Dyma Kate Preston sy'n cydlynu hyfforddiant ac adnoddau dynol Hilltop. Mae hi'n gwerthfawrogi'r cymorth a'r gefnogaeth y mae Hilltop wedi ei dderbyn trwy raglen sgiliau bwyd o diod Cymru.
Well, for us here at Hilltop, it's so important. We want our staff to feel valued, and one of those ways that we feel that we can do that is by upskilling them and offering them different opportunities, so that it helps them to develop personally and professionally. So we try and offer a range of courses, whether it's job-specific courses or whether it's compliance training, anything that we can do really to try to help them. And also, I suppose, to boost confidence and make them feel competent and capable in what they're doing every day.
Mae Kate wedi dilyn hyfforddiant DISC sy'n cynnig cyfle i edrych ar broffiliau a gwahanol bersonoliaethau a ffyrdd o weithio a chyfathrebu o fewn timau. Mae'r cwmni wedi elwa o'r cwrs ac yn gweld y buddion o'r hyn a ddysgwyd yn ei gwaith o ddydd i ddydd.
And I know personally from doing the DISC training myself, it's helped me to understand how to communicate with people who have different personalities or characteristics to myself. Mae'r ddiolchgar o'r support a'r help mae Sian yn roed i ni. Dwi just sendio e-bost a gofyn beth ni'n gallu neud, a mae Sian yn just dod nôl i fi a just deud beth sy'n ar offer. Mae'r proses mor syml. Ac heb yr funding, byddwn ni ddim yn gallu roed yr opportunities yma i'r staff, so mae'n wych bod ni'n gallu cael yr help yma hefyd.
Mae Kate yn nodi pwysigrwydd i'w sgilio a chadw staff mewn swyddi yng Nghanolbarth Cymru.
For us in Newtown, there are a limited number of opportunities for the people that live locally. So for us as a company to be able to provide upskilling opportunities not only helps people to stay in the town, but also supports their families, supports their children, keeps families in the area so that we can see other businesses grow as well.
Mae Bledd Emrys Jones wedi dilyn prentisiaeth fel peiriannydd cynnal a chadw. Mae Bledd yn egluro bod llawer o prosesau yn cael eu hawtomeiddio yn nes ymlaen yn y flwyddyn, ac mae'n awyddus i ddysgu mwy am hynny nesaf.
Dwi eisiau dysgu mwy am hwnna wan i job security, basically. Felly, os mae'n cwrs, dwi'n mwy na hapus i mynd arno fo, fel automation neu rhywbeth.
Mae Wyn Griffiths wedi dilyn sawl cwrs yn rhinwedd ei swydd, gan gynnwys hyfforddiant archwilydd arweiniol.
Yeah, so on the course, I learnt about trying to find out if the person, for example, we're in a factory and there's someone working on the line, I need to find out if this person is competent. So I need to ask some questions, like do I need to ask open questions, challenging questions or closed questions, these kind of things. Those are quite helpful for me to find out, if our product is being looked after or not.
Mae Ellie Davies hefyd wedi elwa o ddilyn cyrsiau gan gynnwys cwrs sylfaen Prince 2 ac yn benodol yr elfen cyfiawnhad busnes parhaus.
Yeah, one of them was like continued business justification, which is just like making sure that all along the project you're like constantly justifying why you're doing the project and it's not kind of going out of scope. And I thought that was really helpful. I think previously you could be doing a project and you kind of lose sight of why you're doing it in the first place, and that just continues to justify why you're doing it.
Cafodd Ellie y cyfle I ddysgu terminoleg defnyddiol i'r rôl.
I think that it's been beneficial to me personally to learn all those terminology. Now that I'm in my role, it would be really helpful for me to share that out with the wider team so that they can then help to make sure that projects run seamlessly. A lot of companies don't help and push you to learn more, whereas at Hilltop, there's a lot of opportunity to learn and grow, and also progress, and doing those trainings helps